Hello students, in today's video we will learn a new letter, that is letter Q. We will learn the phonic sound of letter Q, how to trace letter Q, and we will do some letter Q related fun-filled activity. So let's start. In page 56 of World of Letters book, you will find one capital letter Q and one small letter q in the middle of the page. But we will trace only the capital letter Q with the help of our two fingers, that is index and middle finger. We will trace this capital letter Q with the help of our two fingers, that is our index and middle finger. Circle, slanting line. Letter Q. Circle, slanting line. Letter Q. Circle, slanting line. Letter Q. Now we will learn the phonic sound of letter Q. The phonic sound of letter Q is qua, qua. The phonic sound of letter Q is qua, qua, quell, qua, quill, qua, queen, qua, quilt. Once again, the phonic sound of letter Q is qua, 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 quell, qua, quill, qua, queen, qua, quilt. In page 57 of World of Letters book, there is a part, read and trace. Children have to trace letter Q with crayon. They will trace letter Q and they will say the phonic sound of letter Q simultaneously. This is letter Q. Q says qua. Q says qua. Like this way, they will trace the three letter Qs in page 57. This is page 57 of World of Letters book. At first they will do the read and trace part as I have shown. Then they will do circle the letter Q. They have to find letter Q among all these letters and they have to circle it. And the next activity is paste shape stickers to complete the quill. This is a quill. They have to complete the quill by pasting stickers, shape stickers. The shape stickers you will find at the back of the book. The stickers will be available at the back of the book. That I have already been shared in the PDF file. Children have to paste star, circle, triangle and square shaped stickers. Please help children to paste these stickers. Except page 56 and 57, this week children have to do page 81. That is, they have to trace letter H, letter F and letter E. One done page has already been shared in the PDF. Children also have to do page 18 of World of Letters book, that has traced the paths of the butterfly and the cat and trace the path of the frog and the rabbit. One done part of this page has also been shared in the PDF file. This week children will identify small letter F. This is letter F. F says f. F says f. F fish. F fox. F frog. F flower. Children will revise two rhymes this week. One is 1, 2 buckle my shoe and another is roses are red. Thank you.